In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can earn $454 daily using this down here. This is known as artificial intelligence. Now, the cool thing about this method is you don't need any experience. Anybody can do this from anywhere in the world, and you definitely don't need to spend a lot of time on this method. Now, if you watch this video till the end, not only will you know how this works, how to set this up, I'm going to share with you some little tips and hints, because we can actually turn this into a passive income, and it can also become more than a side hustle. But it's simple, it's easy, and I'm going to walk you through this step by step. So let's jump over here. And look, if this is the first time you're on the channel, then hello and welcome. My name's Mark. Over on the screen now, this is my website. I've got lots of articles on here about earning online. You can see I have an interview series. We've got YouTube articles, affiliate marketing. I've also got a members area and lots more. So look, if you want free resources for earning online, just go over to the blog and have a look at this. So let's jump into today's video. Now, how are we going to start this? Well, we're going to need some free pieces of software and different resources. So the first one is I'm going to come over here onto my YouTube channel. Now, you see this over here. This is an extension called TubeBuddy. I'll quickly show you the website, and I'll drop a link to this below for you so you can go ahead and get this yourself. But this is absolutely free. So click the link down below. It will take you over to this page, and you sign up for free. Once you've got this, you click install, and it goes up here. So once you're on YouTube, like so, you'll have this little tab here. Now, if we click on this tab here, you can see this is all the information powered by this TubeBuddy. Now, if we come over to Keyword Explorer, we can use this in a number of ways, but more importantly, we can see what's currently trending in a particular area or a country. So at this moment in time over in the US, for example, we can see all of these things here, what are trending. So we can actually take advantage of this, and we can create content around this in a number of ways. So looking at this, we've got stocks here, we've got Bitcoin, we've got this, we've got the Dow Jones. So basically, stocks and trading, and we've got another one up here, is it's trending over in the US. So that's pretty interesting. And again, you can filter this to absolutely any country. If I click on the United Kingdom, let's just see what's trending over here. Yeah, so you can go through and have a look at this. Again, look, S&P 500. So stocks and shares are currently trending. So we're going to use S&P 500, more specifically stocks and shares for this. But you could go through any of these here and see what's trending. And then once we know what's trending, we've got an idea, we can then move on to step 2, which is using AI software for this whole method. So if I come out of here, and we're going to come, first of all, we need a product that we can, share. So if I come over here, this is known as Clickbank. Now, on the left-hand side, you create an account for free, by the way. On the left-hand side, we're going to find a product related to that category. So we're going with stocks and shares. So let's go ahead and have a look and find something on here. So let's go to, where is it? Business and investing, okay? Because the SP 500 and stocks and shares, this is all predominantly in this here, equities and stocks. So we're going to click on here, and literally you can filter this at the top here. You can filter this via gravity, which basically means how many of this products it's sold within the last 48 hours. So we can go through and have a look at all of these different products down here. Now, this one here looks pretty good. Look, the #1 stock investing club, average conversion of $454.29 per day. There's also a rebuilt on here. So if you want to learn more about the product, you click on here where it says affiliate page, and it will take you over to the affiliate page, and it will tell you what the product is, and basically what you're going to be sharing. And there's tools on here and lots more. And look, you can see you send people this link. There's a video on here showing you about this product. They're giving you different platforms where you can share it on. They've got all this stuff on here. Okay, pretty straightforward. So let's click on the back button, and we are back on here. So if I wanted to promote this, I simply click on promote, okay? And we click on generate hop link. And this long link here is now our link, okay? So basically, if we share that link and anyone clicks it and buys, we earn an affiliate commission. Straightforward and simple. But before we, start sharing that link, we need to create content. and this is where the AI comes into this. So step one is we get TubeBuddy. Once we've got TubeBuddy, we go over here, we click on here, and we look at what's in the Keyword Explorer, what's trending. Once we've got that, we go over to this website over here, and again I will drop a link to this below for you. You can check this out completely for free, and it will allow you 10,000 words inside of this app. Now over on here, if I just click on templates, we can see we've got all of these different all of these different options inside of here. But for this piece of this video, we need something to do with creating content. So we can do either video over here, we can come up with an idea and some scripts, or we can come to blog and we can literally get a piece of content created for this. So you have a couple of options. So in this example, let's go with video. And we'll click on video topic ideas. Okay, so what topic should the video be about? Let's just say tips for the stock market. Okay, keyword to rank for, let's just take the whole thing and we're going to copy that and paste that into here. Now we've got tone of voice. Now I like to put this on expert copywriter, like so. Now, down at the bottom, you can see here it says outputs 3. You want to take this down to 2 and click on generate AI content. And the reason why you want to take this down to 2, when you first go over to this website, they give you 10,000 words completely for free. So every word that it puts on this side over here, that's deducting it from your free 10,000, okay? So it's giving us some video topic ideas. How to start investing, stock market crashes. That's potentially a good one. So if we click on there, we have now got, I'm going to copy that, we have now got our video topic idea. So if we click on back, let me click on back again, and we'll come out of here, and we'll go back over here to video. I'm now going to come down here, and we have got video script outline. Okay, so we're going to paste our title in there, like so, tone of voice, and I'm just going to put in, again, expert copy writer. And I'm going to change this to 2 and click on generate AI content. Now, this is going to take again a second, and look, it's starting to create our video for us. So, very quickly, all I'm going to do here is I'm going to take these and copy this, because we're going to be using these for short video formats. So, we've got our 6 points. Now we want to go to another piece of software, which is called this one over here. And again, don't worry, I'll drop a link to this below for you. This one over here is absolutely free, by the way. So we come over to this platform, and in a second, we scroll down, and you can see we've got pre-made templates, text to video, and a blank canvas. We're going to click on text to video. And now we're going to scroll down. Now, you have a couple of options. Do you want this in widescreen? Do you want it in square or vertical? Now, what I'm going to say is we're going with vertical, because basically what's going to happen here is this software is going to create the video for us. And then once we have this video created, guess what we can do? We can post one video. We can post it on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. The same video, but on multiple platforms. You could even go a step further and upload it to Pinterest. So pick any of these templates. It doesn't really matter. So let's just go with this one over here. And we're happy with that. We're going to click on use this template. And then this takes a second to load up. Now you see here, look, add your script. You can also put in a URL down here, but we're just going to paste our story in here. Okay, so paste, headline. So what was our headline? It was how to survive. What was it? How to survive a stock market crash, wasn't it? Stock market crash. Okay. Click on next, and it's going to build the video for us. And look, this works in any category and also in any niche. And once you've decided on a category, found a product that you're going to promote, which basically means we're just sharing a link, you can do, like as I mentioned, you can do this in any category. It's a really simple process. Excuse me. So over on the left hand side, this is our script, okay? This here is the actual video. So you can go through and have a look at this, and you can see your text is here currently, but again, you don't need to worry about that. You can change it around to wherever you'll want. And look, if you don't like, the images behind here or the videos for whatever reason, it's a really simple process. So how to survive a stock market crash? We don't want this image here. We come over on the left hand side. You can press on videos or images. So let's just click on one, and then we search in here. So that one will do. So I'm going to drag that over here. And now is that a stock market? I can't see. I don't think that is it? Let me change this. Let's go to stocks. And we're going to wait a second. There we go. That's better, isn't it? We're going to put that over. There we go. How to survive a stock market crash. Come further on the page. And again, if you don't like this image, you can simply search on the left hand side. You can upload your own images. You can add videos in here, music, and lots more. The other thing you can do is, like as I've mentioned, if you don't like where the text is, you click on Advanced, and it just takes a second to load up, as you can see there. And then what you can do is you can change where you want the text. You can move it around with your mouse like so. You can change the font size, the colour. Basically, you can do whatever you want inside of it here. So you can play around with this, and it just takes you through each scene. So each scene is basically a video. So put this down here, and if I want to make that text a bit bigger, let's just click on there, and we're going to go to say that size there. Okay, so I've made it a bit bigger. I don't want that up there. I can get rid of that. Remove. So that's the process. So you go through this process, and you just make sure you're happy with the image and the text, and everything about the video. Once you've done this, you click on. I'm going to click on download and share. And as I've mentioned, you've got many options. You can go into music and overlay music on the top of this. You can search for it and lots more. But once you're happy with it, you just simply click on download and share. And then basically, you click on here whether you want it in 720 or 1080. You want it in 1080, okay? And then you just click on download and share. So now we have used this piece of software over here to find trending topics. We've used this website over here to find an affiliate product. We have used the piece of software, Jarvis, to go ahead and create our video ideas and our content. And then we've used this piece of software to create the video. Once this video is downloaded, we then go over onto TikTok and we upload that video. The same with Instagram Reels and also YouTube Shorts. The other thing what I forgot to mention is, so in your slides here, if we just take this all the way to the end, let me just drag this across for you. So let's just bring this over to here. We'll take this over here. We want to include what is known as a call to action, okay? So on the end of here, what you can do is you want to just add in another slide, and basically what we're doing is we're trying to direct the person watching the video to click the link down below. So in that example, we would say, for more information about the best stocks and shares, click the link, in the bio, in the link, in the comments down below, and you put in your link. Now, in terms of your link that we got previously over here from Clickbank, if I go over here, you can remember this is our long ugly link, but you don't want that. So we use another website which is free, and it's called bit.ly.com. We come over here and we click on, you create an account for free. As you can see, I've got a free account over here, and we click on create. Then you paste that URL into here, click on create, and in a second, that there is now our link. So if I copy that and open up a new tab, you can see it says bit.ly and it's going to basically send me over to this product, as you can see over here, the product on Clickbank. So I think you'll agree, it's pretty straightforward, this whole process. It's not hard, it's not difficult, and you don't need any skills or experience because we're using AI software to do all of the work for us. We're using the AI inside of InVideo. We're using the AI inside of Jarvis over here. So if I just go over to Jarvis, let me just go on to If I go over here to this website, this is creating the content for us. And as I've mentioned, I'll drop a link below for this so that you can actually go ahead and get 10,000 free words inside of this software. And there's so many options, inside of this software. You can do videos, blogs, and lots more. But that is how you can potentially earn some, decent money online. So look, there's links to everything down below for you. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But I think we can all agree it's not a difficult process. It doesn't take that long. It'll just take a bit of time and effort. So look, thanks again. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.